Alright, what's up, YouTube? Another video today. I believe it's Saturday night here. I hope you enjoyed the little intro of the wood furnace. I like doing those time lapse of the wood and the flames and whatnot. But these videos here coming up are gonna be about me porting and polishing these stihl products. This one's finished already. This is the stihl MS193T. This is the climber saw. I'm working on an old school one right now, and then I have a weed whacker that I might even do, and I might even get a little bit of that on camera. But I'm gonna fire this one up and let you guys listen to it. I'm gonna let it warm up and whatnot. I'll probably do that on camera, so there's a little more footage and whatnot. So you guys tell me what you think. It really did increase the power of it. I mix a little heavy on the oil now. All I did was I did the exhaust. I didn't do the intake of the carburetor. I just did the exhaust and then did the actual muffler mod. And it screams now. And I adjusted the high screw, the high and the low screw, because now it wants more fuel since it's letting it out faster, of course. So let me turn you guys back on. I'm gonna fire it up, let it warm up a few. I might do that in a time lapse as well, just as it's warming up, and then I'll go back to normal regular video and let you guys hear it scream and whatnot. So hold on a second, I'll be right back. Alright guys, that was just a short 5-second clip on that, so about a minute of it warming up. So now I'm gonna fire it up and let you guys hear it in real time. It's warmed up now, so should fire up in one pull. I'll show you that. So I mean, this thing, you rarely, even when it's freezing out, I just choke it and pull it like 3 times. It fires right up. So alright, here we go. I'm not even gonna choke it. I'm gonna see if it'll just fire because he's got like the chokes are right here, and then it has a primer bulb. But I'm just gonna turn it on right here and pull it. Huge difference, guys, on just doing that exhaust port. It's still a little cold, so and it is only 20 degrees outside, so Northeast Ohio over here. So yeah, if you guys get bored with your chainsaws, the only mod this one doesn't have, and I don't know how to do it yet. I'm gonna try to learn how to do it, watch a couple more YouTube videos, is advance that timing where they shave some of the flywheel key off to advance the timing a little bit. So I might try that. Not sure yet. I don't know what could happen if, you know, I just get a new flywheel key, if I screwed it up or not or whatever. But huge difference, like I said. This thing idles good. I got the idle up a tad bit, but I like that because it's real responsive. It doesn't die. You can, you know, full throttle and then just let off, and it'll sit there and idle while you're lining up your next log to cut or whatever. I cut a lot of pallets. I got a lot of 4x4 pallets that I use for my wood furnace and stuff because they're free around here instead of me buying wood. And I got some land, so I cut a few trees down to burn, but usually I'm just cutting pallets and whatnot. So, but yeah, I might try to do that that weed whacker. I don't know yet. I gotta see how hard it is. I'm sure it's pretty easy to get the exhaust off and then port that. Let me take you over here real quick to the this is an old it's a stihl. I think it's an AV something. I started doing the port work on here. This is the exhaust side. Kind of hard to tell on video here, but this was a lot smaller, and I chamfered these edges because they were squared and you want more flow. And I went in here with the Dremel tool and made this way larger on the intake and the exhaust. This too. This had a couple burrs in it too from factory. So I took those down, and still got a little more work to go. I just started this one today. So that's what I'm working on now. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and if you have any questions about any of this stuff, put them down in the comments. I get them right to my phone. I will answer you back, or I'll find the information if I don't know it. But yeah, I love YouTube and the community, so think about subscribing too. Don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of people it skips to the next video. Just go back and hit that subscribe button. They're usually at the end. I usually have a video here and here, and the subscribe button, you can click that, and I'll have a playlist. You can go through some of my other videos. I have Cam Silverado with 5.3 that I can. I have the Ford 8N tractors that I have videos on with the hydraulic pump for the loader bucket. I got some pretty sweet videos. A lot of car audio videos because I'm a mobile technician. So a couple other my stihl chainsaws here. The MS 170, which everybody has, because that one's like the cheapest. It's a cheap model. It's like $180, and then this is the MS 362, the CM. It has that electronic carburetor. I bought this from my local pawn shop. Came from Cut, and I put it on layaway. Their sticker price was $600. I walked out of the door with this thing after, even on layaway, which I didn't know. He had $600 on there, and then when I looked at the receipt, it was only down to $400. So I went back the next day and just gave him the whole $400 for it. I mean, it was literally brand new. Nobody used it. Didn't even look like it cut down a tree. There was no shavings, nothing. I put a new chain on it. It's got a 25-inch bar on it. But alright guys, I'll wrap this one up. My wife's calling me, so have a good one. Hit that like button.